to be trusted, I'm a real deal snake.
I ain't never love no bitch. Ask my exes, yeah, I'm booing, yeah, I'm stepping. 30 boy jizzle, I'm reckless. Bout to turn the city up, we cooking bodies up like breakfast. I ain't in that heaven gate, tryna beef with me over texting. Niggas talking like a reverend, these hollows lethal injection. Kick them niggas out the jets, cause the 30 ain't what they rapping. Stripping nigga for his weapon, and rob his mans cause he flexing. I'm smoking squares cause I'm stressing, young nigga always finessing. I'm a young goon in these streets, bitch, I'm a beast. I wasn't rapping for a minute, not a demon off the leash. Guarantee he ain't gon' die, so I dip the bullets and bleach. I ain't inviting them hoes, them bitches coming to leash. Baby bro, he just like me. When we go creep, we was both only 15, it became factors in these streets. Fuck these blocks, let's blow it up. Chop it big, I'm small as fuck. Me and Banzy made a plan to kill them all, sneaky as fuck. Nigga, I'm not to be trusted, I'm a real deal snake. Get up close in broad day, I'm tryna take a nigga face. Nigga started going crazy like his ass got laced. He was claiming all this dog, I had to put him in his place. I was protecting your ass when we was thugging up the weight. I was fucked the nigga bitch, I asked her how my stickers taste. I ain't fucking with these hoes, they just want me because my pay. I just took her to the store, nah, sure they can't get a date. I ain't never love no bitch. Ask my exes, yeah, I'm booing, yeah, I'm stepping. 30 boy jizzle, I'm reckless. Bout to turn the city up, we cooking bodies up like breakfast. I ain't in that heaven gate, tryna beef with me over texting. Niggas talking like a reverend, these hollows lethal injection. Kick them niggas out the jets, cause the 30 ain't what they rapping. Stripping nigga for his weapon, and rob his mans cause he flexing. I'm smoking squares cause I'm stressing, young nigga always finessing. Red, blue, green light, caught his ass without that pipe. Just me and Sav, we swerving lanes, was out to see that same night. Glizzy bulky with a dick, I treat this bitch just like a dyke. Keep asking jizzle, do you run this? He don't know, bro, I just might. Purse mixing with lean, I ain't no fiend, that's just my thing. I get up close, I like to love these hollows, hit him, bet him scream. Old frizz, they turned to hot bitches, I heard giving a drop. We was sleeping in the trap, me body bag in my wop. I'm a baby killer, I'm a real deal slime. Wanna be a 30 boy, you gotta go and drop a 9. Caught him going out to eat, then these hollows ate up his spine. Slaughter mask, getting the drops, but you sign on booing time.
But you sign on booing time, But you sign on booing time. Jizzle, I ain't done, nigga. Check me out.
I ain't never love no bitch. Ask my exes, yeah, I'm booing, yeah, I'm stepping. 30 boy jizzle, I'm reckless. Bout to turn the city up, we cooking bodies up like breakfast. I ain't in that heaven gate, tryna beef with me over texting. Niggas talking like a reverend, these hollows lethal injection. Kick them niggas out the jets, cause the 30 ain't what they rapping. Stripping nigga for his weapon, and rob his mans cause he flexing. I'm smoking squares cause I'm stressing, young nigga always finessing.